Two-factor authentication 2FA adds an extra layer of security to your account by requiring not only a password but also a second form of verification. Follow these steps to enable 2FA on Zeitview. Step 1. Log into your account. Start by visiting the Zeitview website and logging in with your username and password. Ensure that you have access to your account before proceeding. Step 2. Navigate to security settings. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 3. Find two-factor authentication option. In the security settings, look for the option labeled two-factor authentication or enable 2FA. Click on this option to begin the setup process. Step 4. Choose your authentication method. You will typically be presented with different methods for receiving the second factor, such as SMS, email, or an authenticator app. Select your preferred method and follow the prompts to set it up. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. After setting up your chosen authentication method, you may need to enter a verification code sent to you. Once confirmed, ensure you save the changes to activate two-factor authentication on your account. By following these steps, you can enhance the security of your Zeitview account with two-factor authentication. Make sure to keep your authentication method secure and up to date.